What's up, guys? Welcome to How to Crypto, the rest of the world's guide to blockchain. This is the channel where I go over two things. The first one is I cover overvalued altcoins, what I believe to be overvalued, and I go over why I don't think it's an altcoin that you want to be holding for the long term. And the second thing I go over is how to buy tutorials for the lowest fees for coins that I believe are super legit. And Metahero is one of them that I believe is one of the top altcoin projects right now that has a very promising future. So obviously this is not financial advice. This is just how to buy it with the lowest fees in the United States. So let's go ahead and get into it. First steps here is just you buying a stable coin. These are just my recommendations and what most people use. You can either buy USDC from Coinbase, or you can buy USDT from Binance, or you can buy it from wherever. But just for the sake of making this tutorial step by step, I will be starting right from the beginning for those of you who need it, from buying USDC from Coinbase. This is linked in the description, and we're going to use this so that we can purchase USDC stablecoin with zero fee. If you don't already have Coinbase, you can sign up using the link in my description and you will get a $10 Bitcoin bonus on your first purchase of over $100 and add that to your profitability. Once on the Coinbase app, simply click on Portfolio, click on USDC, go down to Trade, click on Buy USDC and put in the amount that you would like to purchase. Click on Preview Buy. You can see that we have a $0 Coinbase fee and I will be receiving exactly 100.0 USDC. You can also see that I will be able to move it immediately after purchase, which is another reason why I like to use Coinbase for this type of transaction so that I can have this money available immediately. The second app I recommend is called Bitmart. It's one of the best kept secrets in the crypto market and there's over 300 coins on there. So I prefer to use Bitmart and that's what I'm going to be walking you through if you don't yet have an exchange and need a guided process. So once you're on the Bitmart app, what we'll do is click on the bottom right on assets. Then we will go to USDC. Click on the blue USDC coin. Click on deposit. And then we are going to copy that address because that is the address that we need to send our USD coin to. So we'll go back over to our Coinbase app, go to the portfolio, go into USDC, and then click on the wallet. Then we will go to send the money at the top right. We will send whatever dollar amount we want, or you can click max if you want to send all of it. Then we will paste in the address into the to area. We don't need the memo for this particular type of coin, otherwise it would give us the memo. You can see that we do have a $3.80 fee for sending this, which does kind of stink, but in most other scenarios, we would be sending it off with an even higher fee. So this is what I found to be the lowest fee for sending stablecoins from one platform to another, so that's my recommendation. After that, we just need to go through the process to approve that it's actually us, and we should have the money shortly. Now it's time to open back up Bitmart and make sure we got the funds. You should see it in a few minutes. Go to assets and see your USDC. Now we need to transfer our USDC over to USDT, which is called Tether, because that is how we can exchange our Tether for Metahero. Very simple. All you're going to do is click on trade and change all of the USDC over to USDT that you are going to want to trade in just a second here. Go ahead and click on market order. Click on 100% if you want to move all of it or put in the desired amount and click sell. Now when we go back over to our assets, we will have USDT instead of USDC, and you can see we lost about $1, which is still not much in fees. Now it's time to actually buy Metahero. Go up to the search and type in Hero. Click on Hero USDT and then click on buy at the bottom. We can place a limit order or a market order. We're going to do a limit so we can pick a designated price, and I'm going to put in 0.135. You can press on 100% if you want to use all of your Tether to buy as much as you can, or you can put in whatever amount. Just press buy and it will fill as soon as it gets a chance. Hope this helps. Good luck to everyone out there, and please subscribe to the channel if you found this useful and smash that like button so more people can find this video and join the Metahero team. Have a great one, and I'll see you next time.